Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to switch from Wix Studio to Wix Editor. So what you're going to do first is to go to your Wix Studio and then make sure to log into your account. And then once you're here, you just have to simply click on the settings. Okay, and then at the right side, you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'd be able to see this node over here. So not a freelancer or agency. So you can leave Wix Studio and the partner program by switching to the regular Wix experience. Now just click on the find out more. Okay. So right here, by opting out, you lose the access to studio features and you'll get the regular Wix experience. Here, what you lose access to, so you just have to read these things, and then what stays the same. So if you think you're ready to leave the Wix Studio, then you just have to simply click on the Leave Wix Studio. Okay, so make sure to click on this one right here. I understand that I will lose the access to all studio features. Okay, so if you finally made up your mind, then just click on the Leave Wix Studio. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.